What's going on, everyone? In this video, I'm going to be doing a quick breakdown on how we could use the tool Bookmap to see the volume analysis within a fair value gap to see if that fair value gap is going to hold and we have confirmation to take the trade, or if we don't have the strength and we should stay out of it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to watch the replay system on TradingView, and we see that we have a 1 minute fair value gap that formed inside an area of interest. It's always important to have an extra confirmation to our fair value gaps, because if they're alone, there's a good chance they're not going to work out. So now that we have our area of interest, we're coming down into it. We see that we're getting a bit of a double bottom on that fair value gap. Now, anybody could take this trade without Bookmap just because they're entering in a fair value gap, but what Bookmap does is it helps give us that extra confirmation or vote of confidence to say, okay, take this trade, maybe go heavier on this trade, or to give you the confirmation to pull the trigger on the trade without worrying that we're just going to run right to our stop loss. Now that we saw what we're looking for on the chart, let's see the replay through Bookmap. So we're coming into this area of interest, which is the fair value gap that we were looking for. It is the 19,000 to about 18,988. And we see that sellers are stepping in, but absorption is coming in as well. And that's what this indicator is right here. So even though sellers are stepping into the market, buyers are absorbing those sell orders and keeping price higher. So that would be the confirmation to take this trade along with our stop loss at the bottom of the fair value gap. And as we see, buyers end up stepping in with strength, and it gives us that move that we're looking for.